Describe a difficult thing you did and succeeded. In this cue card, you need to address the questions like what was this thing, वो चीज़ क्या थी, how did you succeed in it, आप उसमें कैसे successful हुए, why it was difficult, वो चीज़ आपके लिए difficult क्यों थी, and how you felt about doing it. जब आपने उस चीज़ को conquer कर लिया, आप उसमें successful हो गए, how you felt after that. So this is how a band 8.5 cue card answer will look like. We'll deal with each and everything one by one. We'll start with the introduction, then we will talk about what was this thing, how did you succeed in it, why it was difficult, and how you felt about doing it, and lastly we'll conclude the cue card. And after that we'll talk about all the follow-up questions which are related to this cue card. So please watch this video till the end because you will get to learn new vocabulary, pronunciation, and of course not so common ideas. So hello guys, this is Rajit and welcome to CIC Talks, where we talk about IELTS and Canadian immigration on a daily basis. Without further ado, let's begin with the introduction. In my life, I have accomplished a lot of things that seemed challenging at first, but were simple to do once I got going. So today I would like to share one such true story from my life about how I overcame a fear. What was this thing? वो जो difficult thing थी वो क्या थी? Swimming is the subject I would want to discuss. I have always been afraid to get in the water. मुझे हमेशा पानी में जाने से डर लगता था. But I finally came to the realization that learning to swim is an essential life skill. Additionally, I believed that it would be beneficial exercise and aid in my physical development. And how did you succeed in it? आपका ये जो स्विमिंग के रिगार्डिंग डर था, आपने इसको कैसे ओवरकम किया? सो आई जॉइंड स्विमिंग क्लासेस नियर माई होम. मैंने अपने घर के पास एक स्विमिंग क्लासेस को ज्वाइन किया. ऑल्दो माई इनिशियल ट्रेनिंग एक्सपीरियंसेस वर फ्राइटनिंग, समहाउ आई मैनेज टू फिनिश द कोर्स. मेरे जो स्टार्टिंग के डेज थे दे वर रादर स्कैरी, बट समहाउ आई मैनेज टू फिनिश द कोर्स. I am grateful to my amazing mentor. After hanging up my bathing suit in the locker room on the first day, I stood hesitantly by the poolside as I awaited the instructor and the other students to arrive. But sooner than I anticipated, the trembling subsided and everything started to seem okay. Moreover, to keep myself floating, the teacher made me put on colorful water wings. I learned how to swim in this way. That's how I succeeded in learning swimming. Why it was difficult? Why learning to swim was difficult for you? For me, things weren't nearly as simple as it looks. मेरे लिए चीज़ें इतनी आसान नहीं थी जैसे और लोगों के लिए होगी. Why? Because when I was in close proximity to water, my aquaphobia always surfaced. मेरा जो पानी के रिगार्डिंग डर था हमेशा मेरे सामने आ जाता था whenever I get in close contact with water. My uncle nearly drowned as a child in an improperly managed swimming lesson, and my mother told me she had once been dangling over a bridge. Among other horrible tales I heard as a child. Due to these encounters, I found swimming to be even more challenging. मेरी कुछ फैमिली में ऐसे कुछ इंसिडेंट्स हुए थे regarding swimming or drowning into the water, so that made swimming even more difficult for me. And how you felt about doing it? आपको कैसा फील हुआ after learning how to swim? And once I knew it, I was just as happy as Larry. The most comforting aspect was that no one would ever again dare to refer to me as a nervous grown-up. I felt secure and more at ease than ever when floating in the water. So, lastly, I just want to say that it was a Herculean job for me to learn to swim. मेरे लिए बहुत ही it was a difficult job for me to learn to swim. But in the end, my perseverance means my patience or perseverance paid off. So that was the first answer. And now let's discuss the follow-up questions which are related to this cue card. The first one is what kinds of jobs require people to be confident? ऐसी कौन सी jobs होती हैं where you need to be confident? Every profession in my opinion calls for a certain amount of confidence, but those that involve dealing with clients need a lot more. जिसमें हमारी consumer के साथ interaction बहुत ज़्यादा होती है. I think that these are the jobs which require most confidence among others. For example, teachers, salespersons, doctors, lawyers, TV anchors, public speakers, preachers, nurses. These are some of the professions that need the strongest confidence. On what occasions should children be encouraged and how? वो ऐसी कौन सी situations होती हैं जिसमें बच्चों को encourage करना पड़ता है, उनको motivate करना पड़ता है, and how we could encourage or motivate them. When kids are afraid to do something that is good for them, जब बच्चों को कोई ऐसा काम करने में डर लग रहा हो which we as adult feel that's good for them, I believe they should be encouraged to do it. However, the encourage should only be given up to a point. They shouldn't feel as though it's being forced upon them. For instance, if kids show an interest in music, we might push them to learn how to sing. Parents might also take their kids to a music concert to expand their knowledge and inspire them. And how do you help children stay focused? As we all know, children are more prone to distractions than an adult. However, there are some really good ways to assist children to stay focused. First one is one can provide a distraction-free environment for kids to learn in, such as decluttering their room. Decluttering their room means organizing our children's room or removing the mess out of their room so that they could get benefit from the distraction-free environment and focus on something particular. Moreover, teaching them about meditation would be another technique to assist them in focusing. And the last follow-up question is, what challenges do young people face today? There are, in my opinion, primarily two difficulties that young people nowadays must overcome. The first one has to do with the mind and mental health, or what we call as psychological health. Today, everyone is aware of the rise in cases of young depression and suicide because everyone is so chronically busy that they don't get enough time to let off a bit of steam from their system. Furthermore, they also have to contend with the rising competitiveness in their fields of study or employment. So, these are the two major challenges that young people nowadays face in their everyday life. So that's all for today. I hope you find this content useful. अगर आपको इसमें से कुछ नया सीखने को मिला हो, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video so that it could help more of students like you and it could improve its reach.